Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Doug Wanders the Midwest. And today we check out the beautiful sights and sounds of Roaring Fork. Two more. It's a cubby. Just pull up a little bit. That's a cubby. Look at that. They're walking up the trail. That is insane. There's a bear right here. Here we are. Roaring Fork. Let's see if I can get this slide around here. Get a better look. Oh, look at that. That's incredible. Just sitting here. Right here. He's decent size. Right here in front of me. Literally right here in front of me. He's chewing on that log. It's a big bear. He's chewing on that tree. Beautiful, beautiful falls, cascades, priceless. This old school blacksmith shop right down here at the bottom. Finished products.
Okay. So they came back here for a week. So
Pumpkins that they are just doing. Colors. I think these things are cute right here. Bears.
Yeah, it's I was pumping there for a while or something.
Put this on the YouTube.
I just call it 460. Yeah, I call it 460.
So if you're interested in any of this stuff, got the contact information right here. All right, guys, that does it from Roaring Fork. The bears, how close they were, it was amazing. All the cascades and waterfalls, the beautiful mountains, the views, everything that Roaring Fork has to offer is amazing. And we were blessed to be able to do it a couple times. We saw 28 bears over our vacation, whether it be most of them got on video, some just ran across, we didn't have a chance, but what amazing views you get. So worth it, guys. Many videos to come. We got more Smoky Mountain videos coming, and gonna have at the end kind of a bunch of a video with a bunch of all of our bears that we saw. So pretty excited about putting that and editing that video. But continue to follow us, like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. It really helps the channel. We're trying to grow as we go along, and we love you and we appreciate all your support. I can't thank you guys enough for you watching and continuing to follow along our channel. So continue to wander. We'll do the same. Take care now.